Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you think improving English takes many hours every day, then this video is for you. Today, I will show you how you can improve your English by practicing only 20 minutes a day. In this video, we will do a 10-minute English practice session that you can repeat daily. So relax, sit comfortably, and let's get started. The first and most important rule: stop translating. Start thinking in English. Now repeat after me. I am learning English every day. I am not afraid of making mistakes. I want to speak English confidently. English is becoming easier for me. Now describe what you're doing right now. I am watching this video. I am listening carefully. I am trying to improve my English. Remember, simple English is powerful English. Now let's practice common daily sentences. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Morning routine. I woke up early today. I feel fresh and positive. I am getting ready for my day. At home. My phone battery is low. I need to charge my phone. I am feeling a little hungry. Feelings and thoughts. I am feeling happy today. I am a little tired, but motivated. I am doing my best. Do not worry about grammar. Focus on speaking clearly. Now listen carefully. Pause the video and repeat each sentence aloud. I practice English every day. I believe in myself. I am improving step by step. Speaking English is becoming my habit. Now make 3 sentences on your own. Start each sentence with I am. Remember this. You do not need perfect English. You need confidence and consistency. Just 20 minutes a day, 10 minutes listening, 10 minutes speaking. This small habit can change your English completely. Now let's practice answering simple questions in English. Listen to the question, pause the video, and answer aloud. How are you feeling today? Right arrow, I am feeling good and motivated. What are you doing right now? Right arrow, I am watching this English practice video. Why do you want to learn English? Right arrow, I want to speak confidently and improve my future. What is one habit you want to build? Right arrow, I want to practice English every day. Now answer these questions in your own words. What did you do yesterday? What will you do tomorrow? Speak slowly and clearly. Your voice matters. Now let's practice a simple daily conversation. Listen and repeat after me. Person A: Hi, how was your day? Person B: It was good but a little busy. Person A: What did you do today? Person B: I worked, practiced English, and relaxed. Person A: Do you practice English every day? Person B: Yes, I try to practice daily. Person A: That's great, keep going. Person B: Thank you, I will. Now pause the video and try this conversation alone. Change the answers and make them personal. Confidence is more important than perfection. Now repeat these positive affirmations aloud. I am confident when I speak English. I am improving every single day. Making mistakes helps me learn. People understand me when I speak. English is a part of my daily life. Say these sentences with a smile. Your mind believes what you repeat. If you enjoyed this English practice session, save this video and repeat it every day. Write in the comments, I will speak English confidently. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Please subscribe for more learning and keep in touch.